Well, hello, people. This has been very, very long since I've made a video. The bolt. It's my birthday today, sure. And also, yes, it's 9/11. But, happy birthday to me. And I got some pretty cool stuff. I got a new phone that I'm using to record right now. I don't know if you can tell the difference or not, but also got something cool I'm gonna show y'all. They all can't see yet, but so yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. Also got a practice bow, or apprentice bow actually, real fun. I'm gonna arrow go through it all the way to the little tip things. Well, enough about me. It's time for the Nerf blaster. Yeah, you read the title, okay? I'm gonna show you it. Okay, I got it. Here it is. The Nerf Ultra 3. And as you can see, I already tried to open it, then I realized I could do a video. So let's open this thing. First of all, it's a very big gun, that's for sure. Up to 120 feet. That is a very long distance. I'm not even gonna lie. Are you kidding? They have the collector's dart. That's funny. Ooh, it's like greasy or something. Greasy looking, actually. Here's the Nerf Ultra Dart. Pretty light, not gonna lie. It stands on this little thing, whatever that is, the tip. Alright, I don't know stuff. Give me this weird cardboard thing. And, darn. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so I got the gun out. I shot it, and bro, was that loud. You hear that? My gosh. Okay, so you load it back, then little part. Yeah, it has an internal mag or clip, however y'all want to call it. I'll place the darts in right there. And then you do that. Oh my gosh. Okay. There it is. I'm hoping there's more darts in here. Okay. Trash. If I can open this. Instruction manual. I think. Yeah. After a little thing of waiting, I already found out how to use it, so. So there's also a little small detail here. You can load your bullets in like this, I don't know, I'm just doing them in a weird little pattern or something like that. Oh, bullet fell. This is quite a heavy gun as well. This is an ultra series for crying out loud. Okay, so let's load this thing in. Excuse me. There, and so let me put this in like a better view for y'all, because y'all can't really see the stuff. It's crooked. Oh right, I old recording. Memes. So I can probably see. You can't see the arrows. Can't see the darts, but it's insanely cool, man. Or girl, whatever gender you have. And I'm gonna shoot it. Did it even shoot? My gosh!
Did you try your Nerf gun?
Yeah, just not my Nerf. What's a Nerf gun? Nerf gun. Move, please.
Sorry. Hello.
I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but that just shot super fast, and I don't know if it like made an indent in my wall or not, but it's lethal. It did shoot that first one, but like you couldn't see it. Oh my gosh, that thing is a sweet of light. Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Well, I couldn't find the third dart or the first dart that I launched, but I found you. So, it's okay. So, as we're loading these in, first off to say, it's a very nice dart model. I'm a big boy. There we go. I don't know if I can fit all of them. Obviously can. Yeah, I'll see y'all in. Okay, so I managed to put it up on a higher elevation. And you can see this bad boy. Oh my gosh, I'm so far away from it. I don't know why I moved away that far. Moving around the box. Heck yeah. This is a very powerful gun. I guarantee you, if I shot it, if I shot someone, it would leave a wound on them. Either that or,
Hello, guys.
My brother Mavo.
Let's see YouTube channels.
Or at least to bruise them, because this is very powerful.
So yeah.
Don't shoot anyone in the eye with this. Please don't. And at least tell the person to put on some protection.
I hurt my eye too.
When did you hurt your eye?
You can tell me with that. My eye.
Oh, I didn't.
I say don't shoot people's eye. Remember you say that?
Yeah. Never mind. Okay. I'm gonna shoot this over.
Hey guys.
Well, I don't really know where to shoot it. It's a super cool gun though.
Yeah.
If you ever find it,
This is guys.
don't just beg your mom or dad to get it. It's really not that necessary to add to your Nerf collection, although it would be awesome too. But on that note, I'm gonna end this video. Take care, stay safe.
Hey, take that with doodle poop.
I can't control it. But stay safe.
And we'll poop.
Stay okay, and
like
and subscribe. I don't know. Just stuff. But as always, I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys.